And welcome to this channel. I am Riya Sharma. So as you all know that I make blog related to English language, that how you can speak in English. So I share my experiences and lots of things, but in this video I'm not gonna share anything like that, like how you can speak in English and you can apply this and that method. No, not at all. In this video I'm gonna see you in this video I'm gonna make you see this beautiful village. So as you can see the greenery over here, uh, oh my god, it's so pleasant, it's so really nice, it's so amazing, I can say. So, and I also want to share with you something, because I'm very worried about this thing and I feel that I should share with you guys these things. Okay, so let's start this video without wasting even a single minute. So my friends, uh, uh, as you all know that it's raining heavily in few places of my friends, as you all know that it was raining heavily in few places of UP and Bihar, and I don't know about the other places as well, but in few places it was raining heavily, and just because of that heavy rainfall lots of crops has destroyed. So now it's a time of paddy crops, as you can see the crops behind me. So it's a time of my friends, as you all know that it was raining heavily in few places of UP and Bihar, and I don't know about the other places as well, but in few places it was raining heavily, and just because of that heavy rainfall lots of crops has destroyed. So now it's a time of paddy crops, as you can see the crops behind me. So it's a time of paddy crops, and lots of crops has been destroyed. The crops has soaked lots of water. So as you can see over here, so few people have been harvested their crops, few people didn't harvest yet, they will harvest later. But who have been harvested their crops, they will suffer a lot seriously, because the crops has soaked water inside, and now it needs to get dry. So it was a unpredicted rain what was happened 2 and 3 days ago. So farmers are very worried about it. Seriously, I'm telling you, farmers are very worried about it, and but they didn't lose hope. So yeah, but this is not a good condition. We should also concern about it. We should concern about our environment, because it's our responsibility also. It's not related to only the farmers, it's also related to us. And so I thought that I should share these things to you guys, because it was raining heavily, and we were thinking, me and my family were thinking that what would happen of our crops, and what would happen of those crops who has been harvested earlier. So they will soak lots of water, and just because of lots of water, the crops will be rotted. Okay, so we were thinking a lot about it, but before falling a heavy rain, it was drizzling. So we all thought that it will be drizzling for few days, but after that the heavy rainfall was happening, and just because of that heavy rainfall people are so much worried. And as you can see the dry crops, that so here is the auntie, and auntie is making bundles of these crops so that they can take these crops to their home. So now the question arises that why after harvesting they don't take the crops instantly to their home, just because it after harvesting the crops it needs to get dry. So they left the crops in the field, and after getting dry they make a bundle, and then they take it the crop in to their house. Okay, so it's not like that the people who have harvested early before rain, they are only suffering from this loss. No, it's not like that. The people who haven't been harvested yet, they are also suffering from the losses. If you can see, just take a look of these crops. Okay, these crops has been bent by itself by the heavy rain. Okay, and they are lying down on the ground. So this is the big loss, I guess. The farmers work a lot for their crops, so it's a kind of work, it's a 6 months hard work, I guess. So at the end, what they are getting, they will get these bent crops. So this is not a good condition, but still they are happy, they are fine. And as you can see, the soothing movement. Okay, two girls were laughing when I was recording video. So you know what, my friends, when I was coming in the field for shooting my videos, I was also thinking a lot about it, that if the people would see me that I am recording video, so what would they say? Okay, but my younger sister was telling me that it's fine if anybody would see you. It is okay, but oh my god, people are commenting on the video, but it's fine. This is the reason why I don't shoot video in a village. So because people just comment, anybody doesn't like it, seriously. So but it's fine. If I want to do something, so I have to do. I'm really passionate about the recording videos and shooting these kind of vlogs. That is why I'm doing these things. If it's fine that if anybody is commenting on me, it's fine that people are telling that you are not good in your English or something like that. I'm also learning this language, I'm telling you. So that is the reason that I do mistakes. I'm also a beginner kind of person, and I'm just shooting video to let you know that yes, I'm learning also, and you should learn as well. So I hope you would like this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, and I hope you would enjoy this video a lot and you would understand the problems of farmers. And yeah, so we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.